Welcome to this exercise on changing the oil of a 4-stroke motorcycle. Before you begin the engine oil service, you need to wear the safety gear. You will need a pair of goggles and a pair of working gloves. Identify the safety gear workspace. To pick up a safety gear item on the table and to wear it, just single-click the item. First, let us place the motorcycle on a raised platform. We need a hard, even surface to measure the oil level. Click the motorcycle to park it on the platform. Park the motorcycle using the center stand. This is important in order to get a proper reading of the oil level. Click the highlighted center stand. Great! You have parked the motorcycle. Why should you park the motorcycle on the center stand before changing the oil? Press and hold the hydraulic ram controller up switch to elevate the workbench to a suitable height. Well done! The next thing to do is to collect all the tools needed for this exercise. Please move closer to the shelf by selecting it. Select the tool trays. Next, select the oil tray. Move to the oil shelf. Read the oil label and choose the correct oil. Select the oil. Let us now select the funnel. Finally, select the cleaning cloth. Select the spanner set. Select the screwdriver. Well done! You have collected all the items needed for changing the motor oil. Please move closer to the platform by selecting it. You can have a closer look at the drain plug. Click the round circle to have a closer look. Well done! Now locate the drain plug on the lowest part of the engine. Clean the area around the drain plug. Use a screwdriver to scrape off any dirt or mud around it. Click the screwdriver. Grab the spanner and open the drain plug. Observe the drain plug and select the correct spanner size. Click and hold the spanner to unscrew the drain plug. Click the drain plug. Be careful not to burn your hands when the hot oil drains out. Now wait till all the oil has drained. Warm oil drains faster due to higher viscosity. Why should you not touch the used oil that is being drained out into the oil pan? Now that the oil has completely drained out, you can screw the plug back into the drain hole. Finish off by tightening the plug. Click the drain plug. Good job! You have tightened the drain plug properly. Next, let us fill the manufacturer specified oil. For this, unscrew the fill cap by hand or with pliers. Click the fill cap. Insert the funnel into the fill hole. Click the bottle to pour oil through the funnel. Click and hold the bottle to pour the oil. If the specific amount is not known, start with 0.8 liter. After you have poured the oil, check the oil level with the dipstick on the fill cap. Do not screw in the fill cap when you check the oil level. Well done! The oil is between the low and high marks. You have poured the right quantity of oil. Remove the funnel. Click the fill cap to place it back. To make sure that the engine has the right quantity of oil, you must first start the engine. Let it run for 5 minutes and then again check the oil level. Now to start the motorcycle, turn on the engine. Click the electronic start. Let the engine run for 5 minutes. Turn off the engine. Wait for 1 more minute. Why is it necessary to start the engine for 5 minutes to check the oil level? Now check the oil level. Take out the fill cap to check the oil level. Click the fill cap. If the oil level is between the low and high marks, we are done. Click the fill cap to replace it back. Now that you have replaced the engine oil, the next step is to clean the work area. First, dispose the used oil. Click on the oil tray. Choose where to dispose the used oil. Check the bottom of the engine for leaking oil. Select the cloth to clean the floor and tools. Dispose the cloth by clicking it. Select the right container to dispose the used cloth. Click the oil tray to put back the rest of the objects to their proper place. Press and hold the hydraulic ramp controller down switch to lower the ramp. Now the motorcycle is ready to be delivered to the customer. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the oil of the motorcycle.